Assalamu alaikum, my dear student. Today we'll start with a new lesson, that is lesson number 3, MS Word 2010 interface. MS Word is a word processing software. It is an application of Microsoft Office. In this MS Word, there are numerous options available for presenting our text. This presenting our text will look more attractive, nicely present. Each our margin will be perfect. There are many options are there. So in this chapter will help us to learn more feature of MS Word 2010, that is editing, modifying, etc. So in today's topic we are going to learn about the components of Windows, because the components of Windows is also very important. In this MS Word, Windows components are ribbon, quick access toolbar, title bar, work area, minimize, maximize, close. Again I am repeating, MS Word Windows components are ribbon, quick access toolbar, title bar, work area, minimize, maximize, close. More options are horizontal scroll bar, vertical scroll bar, ruler, status bar. Horizontal scroll bar, vertical scroll bar, ruler and status bar. Now look, this is our window, Microsoft window. Now you know, I have explained you before how to open your Microsoft Windows. You will go to the start button. There will be all programs. In all programs you will find Microsoft Office folder. In that folder you have to find out Microsoft Word file. The icon of the Microsoft Word file is W. Okay, see, this is your, what you have seen in your screen, that is your Windows, MS Word window. File tabs, quick access toolbar. In this quick access toolbar you will get undo, redo, save option. Ribbon, all the other options are available there. Title bar will show you the title of your document. Ruler, it will show you to make margins of your paper. Helps are there, that you have seen the top right corner. Close, maximize, minimize. Status bar down, document area, the white page, view buttons, zoom control, dialog box launcher. If you see over here the arrow properly, you will see the dialog box launcher. Okay. Quick access toolbar. What is quick access toolbar? This you will find just above the file tab. This is a convenient resting place for the most frequently used commands in Word. You can customize this toolbar based on your comfort. Ribbon. Word ribbon contains commands organized in 3 components. Tabs. These appear across the top of the ribbon and contain groups of related commands like home, insert, page layout are example. Commands. Commands appear within each group as mentioned above. Rulers. Word has 2 rulers, a horizontal ruler and a vertical ruler. The horizontal ruler appears just beneath the ribbon and is used to set margins and tab stops. The vertical ruler appears on the left edge of the Word window and is used to gauge the vertical position of elements on the page. Title bar. This lies in the middle and at the top of the window. Title bar shows the program and document titles. Okay, thank you. Jazakallah.